Today I'll show you 5 boring remote jobs that actually pay way more than you'd expect. And the best part is, you can do them all from the comfort of your home. 1. Glassdoor. Glassdoor isn't just for company reviews, it's also a gateway to remote job listings that often fly under the radar. Many remote roles posted here include data entry, resume reviewing, or customer service support, with hourly rates ranging from $18 to $35, depending on the company and your experience. Some part-time roles even offer benefits. With a little research and consistency, Glassdoor can lead to stable, well-paying online jobs that don't require flashy skills. 2. AngelList. AngelList focuses on startup jobs, and while it may sound high-tech, there are plenty of boring admin roles available, like virtual assistants, outreach coordinators, and research assistants. Many of these startups are willing to pay above-average rates, typically $20 to $45 per hour, especially if you show reliability and initiative. Remote, flexible, and often international, AngelList can quietly connect you to exciting paychecks without needing to be a tech expert. 3. Indeed. Indeed is one of the largest job boards in the world, and it's full of remote opportunities that are surprisingly well compensated. From scheduling coordinators to email support agents, many plain jobs pay between $17 and $30 per hour. Some companies even offer full-time employment with benefits. If you're consistent with filters and keyword searches, you can find high-paying remote jobs with minimal stress and little competition. It's a goldmine for steady online income if you check in regularly and apply early. Before we move on to next one, here's something for you. Are you looking to earn $25 to $35 per hour from the comfort of your home? Remote live chat assistant positions are now available. No interviews, no experience, and no qualifications required. Click the link in the description to get started today. 4. FlexJobs. FlexJobs specializes in remote, part-time, and freelance work, often in categories like proofreading, data tagging, or billing support. While the subscription fee may put some off, it screens out scams and low-quality listings. Many remote gigs on FlexJobs pay $25 to $50 per hour for what some might call boring tasks. But if you're detail-oriented, these can turn into consistent income streams with low burnout. It's a trusted platform that helps you focus on legit opportunities without wasting time. 5. We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely is a hidden gem for finding lesser-known jobs like tech support, community moderation, or back-end admin roles that offer steady pay without high pressure. Many of the jobs pay $1,500 to $6,000 a month, even if they sound simple on the surface. The site caters to professionals worldwide, making it perfect for finding flexible, well-paying work-from-home roles that most people overlook. If you're patient and persistent, it's one of the best places to land a solid remote job that pays well. These 5 boring remote jobs pay better than you think and can offer steady, reliable income from home. Don't forget to explore remote live chat assistant positions, offering $25 to $35 per hour from the comfort of your home. No interviews, no experience, and no qualifications required. Click the link in the description to get started today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on remote jobs, side hustles, and earning opportunities. See you in the next video.